Hello everyone, and welcome back to Information Technology Essentials. In this lesson we're going to add on to our previous example, and we're going to look at how you get user input in the C programming language. So let's go ahead and take a look at the code. Okay, for this lesson we're going to start with our base program, and we're going to add in some simple user input commands. So we're also going to add in some prompts for the user to enter their name, otherwise they won't know when in the program to enter in the data. So we're going to use the C function scanf to read the data into a variable. So let's go ahead and take a look at the code. Alright, here's our code for our next lab here. So I've added in a variable to our base program up here at the top, a character variable called myname, and it's of length 30. Next, we're going to go ahead and prompt for the user to enter in their name using the printf statement. And this is something new now, the scanf statement, the function that's going to read in the data into myname, and it's using the %s, which is the string or character mask. And then finally, we're going to print out the results using printf, and I've included then again the %s mask and the data from myname, and then finally an end of line character. So that's our code for the next exercise. So to compile and run the program, it's the same steps as our Hello World program. We're going to use GCC to compile the program and then the command ./hello to execute. So next will be our demonstration. This demo is using the Destin Learning Labs site again. It uses Ubuntu Linux and the GNU C compiler. And here's the link to the lab in case you don't already have the link. So let's go ahead and run through this exercise. Okay, I've gone ahead and loaded in our base program into the editor. I'm going to give it a quick check through, make sure everything looks okay. Looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and save this. And let's go ahead and compile and run the program, make sure that we're getting off to a good start here. So I'll go ahead and compile it, and then I'll go ahead and run it. Okay, all looks good. So now I'm going to go ahead and load our program back into Nano, and we'll add in our additional pieces of code here. So first I'm going to make a little bit of room here, and then I'm going to delete the lines here by using Control K. So Control K, I'll do that 3 times, and I've made a little bit of room now. Now I'm going to go ahead and paste in the body of our program once again that has our new logic in it. So let's go ahead and put that in. Let me add a little bit of spacing here to clean things up. Here we go. And maybe delete one more line. So let's go ahead and look at our code now. I've added in our character variable here, the prompt to enter in our name, our scanf statement, and then print out the results. All looks pretty good, so let's hit Control X. We'll save the file. And then now we'll go ahead and recompile it. And I can use the up arrow keys here to get the previous command. I'll go ahead and execute the program. I'll enter in my name. And there we have it. That's the first part of the lab, is to add this in. In the second part of the lab, you're going to add in another statement to enter in your age. So that's really it for this lab. It's pretty simple to add the user input, but now it's your turn to go ahead and jump into the lab and make these changes yourself. In summary, we added a small amount of code to our base program to allow the user to enter their name via the scanf function. So we're able to capture that input and then print it back out to the screen. Pretty simple example, but critical as we expand our programs and further lessons that you can gather user input. That's it for this lesson. Go ahead and jump into the lab, and then I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye-bye. Thank you for your interest in this video. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please consider subscribing to my channel, and you can check out my classes on my website at courses.destinlearning.com. Thanks again, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.